Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I will be playing Teardown for the first time. This will be very laggy because my computer is very slow that I'm using right now. Featured mods, what's in the features mod now? That's new. Oh, the gravitizer. That's cool. Anyways, I'm gonna go into sandbox and I'm definitely gonna go into leak and makers. So if this does lag out, I'm gonna have to reload the whole level. So keep that in mind. This might be a very slow video. I have to reload over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. It takes a while to load with all my mods I have. Okay, so we're here. It's already lagging. So anyways, I have what if I just try? I was gonna write my channel, but hold on. What if I do it? Wrong thing. I almost just did the bomb squad, and that would have. What do I have though? Like something I want to. You want to get to the instructions, don't you? Yes, I do. Yes. Yes. You do. Next time I record a video on this, I'm going to record it on a better computer. I do have a better computer, but I haven't not using it for some reason. Hey, just blow in the house. I'm coming in, boys. Why does that do such little damage? Cluster charge. Ew. I don't want to know what's gonna happen. Oh, look, it's fire started. Oh my god. This is a very, very big house. Oh my god. What if Oh, I do have these things, but they're gonna completely ruin my game. I also, though, have this. Wrong thing. Omni cutter. It's really fun to use because you can just cut out like an L, an L, an A. That's a U. Whatever. That fire's raging in there. Okay. Do something about that. Omni cutter, go. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Oh, God. Get me out. Which way does this door open? Help! Firefighters, help me! Please! Help! Help me! Go. Put it out. Oh, God. Mama didn't help me, so I have to do it myself. She told me never to use the fire extinguisher, but I guess I'm breaking it. Oh, Mama. The big fire's still raging upstairs. Goodness gracious! Open now. Door. Please. While you have the chance, open door. No, I have to do this? I really have to do this? Okay, I have to burn the door off its hinges. Go! Blow Breaking news! A fire has started at the office mansion building house. Why is this called an office? This doesn't look like an office. You know what? You lie to me. This is not an office. My God. Oh! Yeah! Whoa! That's very cool. I tried to record a video on Worldbox, by the way, and I don't know what happened, but I just lost the video. I couldn't find it anywhere. It was like 7 minutes or something. Right now it's at 5 minutes, so blow, 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 blow. Hey, hey, oh, oh, oh. Okay, the last thing I want is a oh. This game is gonna be very slow, guys. Like very, very slow. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's a very big explosion. And guys, this is my first time recording on the this is my first time recording on the computer. I almost lost the words there, but my sister definitely didn't just remind me. God! So you're telling me I can lift the whole boat out of the water and do this, and then fling it 1,000 feet in the air, but I can't lift that up off the thing. That's disappointing. How low can you go? The fire is raging really bad right now in the house. That's really, really bad. I think I'm gonna have to call the firefighters, but for now I'll just shoot a helicopter. See what happens to that. Oh my God, the propeller is flying. Armageddon, liquidify, robot weapon, vaporizer, world eater. BFG, be my best friend. Gun. I think I have an object under. I love the disruptor. So I get to do this. Lee is definitely gonna know what I did to his building. He's definitely not gonna come here and call that normal. What just happened. This is very slow, so I do apologize, but next time I record a video on teardown, I will make it much less laggy. No, please hit something. Oh, finally! Did that not do anything? Mama, call the doctor and the doctor. Oh, that hurts my ear. Oh, no wonder it hasn't been working. There is no way I can make this run faster, so I do very much apologize. It is very an unpleasant experience for me too. Shoot it! Oh my God. Anyways, I think I might end this first video of the teardown right here, just because next time when I make a video on teardown, it's going to be on a much faster computer, so it's going to be much better and more. So I will definitely see you then. But for now, hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe. Bye.